Now we are going to integrate the given sum. Same, we have numerator denominator, but what is the difference here? We have to think is a proper fraction or a improper fraction. How to check that? See the degree of the x. Here, what is the degree of x is 2. Here also when multiply x, here x will come, here 2x squared will come. So when we have degrees are same, our numerator degree is more than denominator degree, that is called is not a proper fraction. So please reminding that the degree power of x should be equal, when the power of x should be equal numerator denominator and the numerator power is more than denominator, that is improper. So you have to divide the denominator value, then change into improper into mixed number. You have experience. So any one improper sum you can change as a mixed number. So you are going to change as a polynomial mixed polynomial. So how to check? It's the only way, check the power of the x. Here when multiply x, here also x squared will come, here also x squared. So powers are equal. So it is not a proper fraction. It's an improper fraction. So what I am going to take? So instead of the term, just write and divide. This is divided x into 1 minus 2x, that given into 1 minus x squared. If you want to divide this, the same term you can multiply x minus 2x squared and multiply inside. So 1 into x minus of 2x squared will come. So how to divide? When you divide the number, the value are decreasing. Here going to when you divide, the degree of the polynomial will be what? Decrease. So I want to remove, after dividing, I want to get what at least x power 1 or without extra I need. So here x squared is there. So here 2x squared is there. So I want to remove the x squared term. When it becomes here plus x, it possible to x squared will be what? Eliminate. So here coefficient 1 by 2 is there. So multiply by 1 by 2. You are doing online division only. So when you multiply 1 by 2 and writing inside. You understand? For example, what is normal division? 25, 6 is there. What number you are writing? 6 is there. 6 4s are 24. So multiply these two value and writing on it inside. The same thing we are going to follow. But how I am select 1 by 2 in order to eliminate what x square. So after division, I want to get what less than the degree. I don't want more than the degree. What is already is there. So I want to remove the x square term. So what is the coefficient? That write as 1 by 2. When multiply 1 by 2 into x, it become what x by 2. When multiply 1 by 2x, become what minus x squared. Now change the symbol plus and here minus will come, here plus. So x squared term will eliminate, constant term, and we have minus x by 2. So this is a quotient. This is a quotient. This is a divisor. This is what remainder. The same time when multiply 2 minus x by 2 you can write. So any one mixed number you can write like that: quotient, remainder, divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. So here what is the quotient here? Quotient is 1 by 2. So the same quotient, remainder, divisor. You can write one more way: quotient plus remainder by divisor. So instead of quotient, you write 1 by 2. So remainder is what? 2 minus x by 2 divided by the divisor is x into 1 minus 2x. The same time we can write 1 by 2. Take the 1 by 2 outside. So 1 by 2 into 2 minus x by x into 1 minus 2x. Okay, x into 1 minus 2x. Same term I start visible down. Okay. The same term we can write 1 minus 2x. Same term we can write like that, equal to 1 by 2 into, take that 1 by 2 outside. This is a numerator value 2 minus x. This is a denominator value x into 1 minus 2x. Okay. So the same term we can write like that. So I am going to rub the board. I can replay and I can learn. This is a way how to divide the term. Why I am dividing? When it is not a proper fraction. How to check the proper fraction? Check the power of the x, degree of the numerator polynomial and denominator polynomial. Okay. So now I am going to write the same term. Instead of 1 minus x squared by 1 minus x squared by x into 1 minus 2x, when divided it become a 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 2 minus x by x into 1 minus 2x. So with the help of the division I can change the same term like that. Okay. Now come to equation 1. Therefore, from equation from equation 1, I equal to integral of, right, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 2 minus x by x into 1 minus 2x into dx. Now we can multiply inside and I can write sum of two terms. So here 1 by 2 is there, and 1 by 2 multiply here, you can write 1 by 2 into integral of dx. Here 1 by 2 is a coefficient, then integral of 2 minus x by x into 1 minus 2x into dx. This is I. We go and consider I equal to I1 plus I2. We go and consider I1 equal to I2. Okay. Now I take I1 equal to, I consider I1 equal to 1 by 2 into integral of dx. So I1 is what? 1 by 2 into integral of dx. What is integral of dx? X will come. So I1 equal to 1 by 2 into x. That is equal to x by 2. This is I1 value. I go to I2 value. So I1 equal to 1 by 2. I1 equal to, okay. So I1 equal to 1 by 2 into x. So it becomes x by 2. Now come to I2 part. So I2 we have still 1 by 2 into, we have numerator denominator value, 2 minus x by x into 1 minus 2x into dx. We have numerator denominator value. Then how to separate the term? 2 minus x by x into 1 minus 2x equal to a by x plus b by 1 minus of 2x. Clear? Now separate the term. So a by x and b by 1 minus 2x. Now we want to find a value as usual and cross multiply. 2 minus x equal to a into 1 minus 2x plus b into x. So you want to find a value, b value. You make a term 0 or b term 0. Easy to make b term 0 when put x equal to 0. So 2 minus 0 equal to a into 1 minus 2 into 0. So b into 0. Finally we have 2 equal to a. Now you want to find b value, then a term make as a 0. What is the possible? Inside I substitute 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel 1 will come. So a term automatically become a 0. So 2 minus 1 by 2. Put x equal to 1 by 2. Put x equal to 1 by 2. So 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, equal to a into 1 minus of 2 into 1 by 2 plus b into 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel, so entire value become a 0, and cross multiply 4 will come. So 3 by 2 equal to b by 2, so b equal to 3. So 2 to cancel, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2 will come. So 1 by 2, so b equal to 3. Now we can use instead of a, substitute this value. A equal to 2, b equal to 3. So the same term you can write like that. I2 equal to 1 by 2 integral of, okay, a equal to 2. So 2 by x will come. So 2 by x plus b equal to, we have what, 3. So 3 by 1 minus x will come. Three by 1 minus 2x into dx. Okay. Now we have two terms are there here. We take 1 by 2 into integral of. Here 2 is a constant term. When differentiate we get the numerator value. Okay. Here 1 minus 2x is there. Again we go in substitute method that 2 minus x